since the clouds have been gray. Pull me close, wrap me in your aching arms. I see that you're hurting. Why'd you take so long to tell me you need me? I see that you're bleeding. You don't need a show.
Hi guys, so I'm going to basically do a little walk this way to pack. So nice time out. I'll be out here for about 3 hours, so I'm going to do a little walk here, put the GoPro on the head mount when I get to the little bit down there to climb over the fence, do a couple more cinematic shots of obviously getting over the fence. I'll see, catch you in a bit guys, bye bye. Alright guys, let's go. Yeah. So I've got this on a head mount guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch you over to the selfie stick so I'll get past this bit. Catch you in a bit guys, bye bye. Alright guys, so plan today is to basically use a wireless microphone on the GoPro. So I'm going to be using a combination of the GoPro, the S8, and I'll probably use my S5 as well, so I can get different shots. So I'll just place you this way. I'll catch you in a bit guys, bye bye. So as I was saying, I'll be basically using the media mod and the media cage to basically do my vlog on here. It will eat up a load of batteries, but I've got loads of them anyway. I just wanted to test it, so I'm going to use without the lavalier and with just the microphone itself. It's a bit windy here, so we'll see what happens guys. So I'm going to do a speed lapse of just walking up to there. Catch you in a bit.
Blank stares at blank pages. No easy way to say this. You mean well, but you make this hard on me. I'm not gonna write you a love song, cause you asked for it, cause you need one.
Hi guys, so I'm going to put this onto my head mount so I can climb over this bit here. Okay, so I've got to climb over the fence, so I've got hands free. Catch you in a bit guys, bye bye. Alright guys, so I've got you on the head mount, so basically I'm not going to talk from here on, so I'm basically going to do a shot coming over the fence and get a shot and sort of clip them in a bit, so I'm not going to be talking from now on. So catch you in a bit guys, bye bye.
Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to set your heart, set your soul, and when you find me there, you search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. Can't tell me it's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you.
Getting these different shots, guys, is a fucking pain in the ass. Catch you in a bit.
I can only imagine, surrounded by your glory. What will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees will I fall? Will I...
Alright guys, so I've got to set up my vlog system for the GoPro, so I'm not sure how much time I've got, so I'll see how it goes. So catch you in a bit, guys. I'm gonna actually sit here and eat my sandwich first, look at the view, do a time lapse coming this way, and then start the vlog. So catch you in a bit, guys. Bye bye.
How much more are we gonna take? How many nights do we have to lie awake? How many tears are we gonna cry? We can't wish until the well runs dry. But what happens when the sky above runs out of every single shooting star? And what if every good intention's only meant to go so far? Only love can save us now. Keep the world from burning down, down, down to the ground, ground, ground. Only love can look inside a human heart and see us for who we are and who we are beyond now. If only there was only love, only love, only love, only love. How many lessons have we really learned? How many bridges could we cross instead of burn?
Right guys, so basically I've run out of time. I'm going to be using just the phone for the vlog because of the palaver of setting this up with the GoPro. I'll find another day to do it. So I've run out of time. It's 7:30. I need to leave here at 8:30. So by the time I clear everything down and stuff, so I'm going to set the vlog up here. Put the camera over there. I use the lavalier as well. It makes the life a lot easier. It's only a metre, like 2 meters. I'll use the lavalier. Easy life. So catch you in a bit, guys. Bye bye.
I'm 5 years old, it's getting cold. I've got my big coat on. I hear your laugh. Oh my life is changing every day in every possible way. And all my dreams, it's never quite as
Right, so this is on an Alanzi selfie stick with the lavalier mic. So this is a test footage. Let's see what it sounds like. Catch you in a bit. Right, so this is test footage without the lavalier mic. So it's a bit windy here. So I want to see what the comparisons are. So what I can probably do is do a comparison of each clip. So I might make this into a video, I don't know, who knows. Guys, so this is like a mini vlog slash making a coffee, get out of here. I've got literally half an hour, that's it. I've just burnt off like an hour and a half already. So lovely. Nice to have more light during the day, so I don't have to have external lights. I forgot my hat at home, so I have to just persevere with the cold, but oh well. Let's make a brew. Right, this is my 511 pouch pack, which is a 48-hour pack. I love this pack. Might get the 72-hour, but this is like 150 quid, that pack. A lot of money. A lot of money, dude. Right, so we need, if I put my jacket on, if I stand up, use it as like a windbreak. There you go. Right, that's why I bought the jackets. It's okay wearing like a fleece, but you need like you need like a windbreak, so which is like a jacket really. That hurt. Right, so I just need a stirrer that's broken. Got any more stirrers in there? Or just snapped off something. This is like left over from Dartmoor, this one. Come on, I've got to have some sticks in here somewhere. There's one. That one's snappity snap. So no making brews today. How's the mic doing? Mic's there. There's a dog walker that comes down here every day. I saw him last winter. Am I alone? I could bring you a bit closer, but I wanted you to have obviously the viewer here, because it's a smaller camera. Obviously it only picks up a certain amount. Just put my phone on there so it doesn't get lost. Let me check up on the time. 20:01. This is a great thermos. If you ever want to buy a thermos, get a Stanley one. Only got time for one. I think this holds up to about, I don't know how many litres that is. I think about a litre, I think that takes. Whoa, I nearly lost my bag. Get here, you fucking bastard. There we go. Coffee time. Well, I thought it was going to fall over then. Where's my stirrer gone? Did it blow away somewhere? Ah, bollocks. Oh. There you are. Cobweb stops it. It's not. There we go. Let me put that down there so it doesn't fall over. It's like carpet here. The grass is so nice. Let's put that in my brew kit. Leave no trace. Hi guys, so I'm just going to do a coffee shout out to my subscribers and to Levy. So catch you in a bit guys, bye bye. Alright guys, I've spent most of my time saying record video. Right, cheers. My plan was to use the wireless mic, but I'm using the lavalier. So much easier, it's fine. I've got on a little tripod, but I've got the back of the tripod leg against the trees. That sort of like braces it a little bit. Nice to be out, guys. Got all this vision over here, all these nice houses. The sun is setting, so I gotta keep this vlog for 10 minutes, so I'll drink this and then I'll go. It's good to be out. Hours and hours editing videos, mate, and now I've made another one. So I've got a nice time lapse behind me, so I'm going to keep that going. I've got 10% left on there, that's fine. But I love that tripod because it braces right out, and I know it's secure because it's quite windy here. It's good to be out. If I just sat down here and just didn't do a vlog and set everything up and film, then but I love filming. I love it. It's a good distraction. Down here for hours. So what I'm going to do, I'll pack up. I'll use the I'm going to put that on the Gorilla Pod and put that over there. There's a bench there, and I'll basically do a speed lapse using that phone. So it has got like a speed lapse on there, and I'll see how that is. I need a wee. There's no one here. I want to go for a wee over there. I ain't got a lot of time, mate. I burn time up like anything. Am I going to Dartmoor in June? Am I not going in Dartmoor in June? I do not know. Am I going to do a wild camp after my night shift? I don't know. I really don't know, guys. This month I've been literally not going out because I need to conserve my finances. I've got some money coming from Hamble, which is about $85, which is probably about 60 quid. I need another external hard drive. So basically I've run out of room. Because I've done the basically using that program to recover my files, which work, but they're all fragmented, so I have to basically find out and put them in chronological order, and it's only 100 gigabyte, but I've created like 700 gigabyte of memory because it's done it's recovered the 180p 1080p files, and it's done a lower resolution as well files for some reason. I don't know why. That's it. That's the quickest vlog I've ever done in my life. I'll just leave that there just for a little bit longer. I haven't bought any paper towels, nothing. Have I got any paper towels in there? I have. I've got some toilet roll. Cool. Could wipe my mouth. I actually use grass to wipe my mouth. It's good to be out, guys. Good to be out. Good to be out. Good to be out and about. Impressed with that Alanzi one, but I want the metal one because that plastic one's going to break. I need a metal one, and I need a ball head attachment to it, and I need a proper mount for the phone. So the mount that is on there, I don't feel too comfortable with. So it's not 100% secure, especially to what I do. That's rubbish. I have got some rubbish in. Let's whack that in there. It's a lovely place. Don't want bits of tissue flying everywhere. Alright guys, I'm going to clear up and then make my way back to the car. So yeah, so I'll catch you in a bit, guys. So I'm going to put this camera on a gorilla pod and I'm going to pull it over there, attached to something, and I'll do like a speed lapse using this camera because I want that night lapse on there to be there for quite a while. So, oh, there's a nice boat there. Lovely. What is it? Lovely. Nice. Lovely. Right, so I'm going to put this on, pull it all back in its case, and then I'll put it on a gorilla pod over there and do a speed lapse of basically me clearing down. So catch you in a bit, guys. Bye bye.
I drew a broken heart right on your window pane, waited for your reply. I hear in the pouring rain, just breathe against the glass, leave me some kind of sign. I know the hurt won't pass, yeah. Just tell me it's not the end of the line. Just tell me it's not the end of the line.
I never meant to break your heart, and I won't let this plane go down. I never meant to make you cry. I'll do what it takes to make this fly.
Right guys, I'm just shouting a little bit because I haven't got any wind protection, so I'm going off this way. So I'm packing up. See you on the GoPro. Catch you in a bit. Bye bye. Hi guys, so I'm running a bit late, so we're gonna go up yonder. So let's see what the light's like here. Yeah, so the settings on this for the time lapse, for the time warp, is different on the standard. So I need to figure out what that is, but I don't want to start playing around with the standard, you know what I mean? So I might just keep it as it is. So we're gonna go this way. Up and yonder. Can you see all that? Yeah, can you see that lovely boat? The Dauntless. So we're going up and away. Let's check the time. Whew. I'm really cutting it a bit fine. Right, so whew, what a fucking here we go. Got out though. Look at this. I am a time killer. A time killer. Oh. So everything that I bought for the GoPro, I've utilised. I haven't really used the vlogging rig that often, but this type of weather I can use it. In the wet winter months I would not. I was reluctant about using it, so there we go. So back to the car. Someone's got a fire there. Fire. Fair enough. fire. I haven't had a fire for ages, since Dartmoor. I do like a fire. Right, I'm running out of fucking time, so I need to go straight on the M27 and get to my work tip. Someone's got a fire there as well. Look behind me. There. Can you see it? There. Big old fire over there. Huge fire there as well. Fair enough. Well, it's not going to cause any problems. It's right on the fucking stone. Fire. Right guys, so that's it. I need to get back to the car, set this up to do a night drive out. So catch you in a bit guys. I'll see you in the outro, which I've already done, pre-made. So bye bye. So that was my little walk in and vlog at Hamble Common. If you can see here, this is actually on the phone, so it's quite impressive. So this is my partner's selfie stick I gave as a gift, and I'm going to get a metal version of this one with the ball head on there. So thank you very much guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.